If you want to make this delicious lemon pound cake with orange glaze, here's how to do it. So let's begin by washing the oranges and lemons. You'll be zesting both. And no, I'm not using this many in this recipe. I just figured I'd go ahead and scrub them all while I'm at it. Dry 2 lemons and zest both of those, and then juice them to get approximately a 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Add the zest to the juice and then set that aside for now. I did strain that lemon juice to make sure there were no seeds. Now you can go ahead and zest and juice 1 to 2 oranges. That depends on how much glaze you would like. Just slowly mix amounts of orange juice and powdered sugar until you get the consistency that you like. I didn't zest my orange until I had the sugar and orange juice mixed, but you could have just added that at the beginning. And just whisk that until it's creamy and smooth. And now in a large bowl, combine 2 sticks of softened butter. And I just softened mine on the defrost setting for about 30 seconds in the microwave. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. And then in your butter, add 1½ cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and add your lemon juice and the zest. And mix that very, very well till it's very creamy and fluffy. And then you can start adding in your eggs, just a little bit at a time. You'll need 5 eggs. After you've mixed that for a while, you can go ahead and start adding your flour, and that will take 2 cups plus 1 tablespoon of flour. So you may want to mix that with a spatula at first so that it doesn't fly all over the place. So mix that just for about 30 seconds and then add in 1 more tablespoon of flour and continue mixing. Mix that for about another 30 seconds. You don't want to over mix it. And then spoon that into your pan and put that in the preheated oven. Bake this on the middle rack for 1 hour. Let it cool completely and then pour your glaze over it. Enjoy.